OpenClaw keeps hitting Claude rate limits. Here's the easiest fix most people use. Go to openrouter.ai and sign up for free. And after that, get your API key from there. It starts with sk/or/. Now open your OpenClaw setup. When it asks you for AI key or in the settings, paste the OpenRouter key instead of the old Claude one. Pick a model. Try one of the Claude models from a list or choose auto option so it picks the best one for you automatically. Save, restart OpenClaw if needed. That's it. OpenRouter handles the request for you, so rate limits almost never happen anymore. You can also try cheaper or faster models through the same key. Like and subscribe. See you next time.